Okay, if you're looking for a truck, it's a good idea to talk to somebody that knows trucks. Sunset Ford, because Sunset Ford is trucks. Like brand new Ford Rangers, XL, XLT, F-150s, 250s, 350s, Super Duty, crew cabs, extended, lifted, lowered. It doesn't matter, because Sunset is trucks. So whether you're towing some of these, or hauling one or two of these, or maybe just feeling safe driving around town,
Cool!
Sunset has a Ford truck to handle the job, because Sunset is trucks. Plus, every qualifying new or used Ford truck comes with Sunset's exclusive warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. Those alone will save you thousands of your hard-earned dollars down the road. They're a Sunset exclusive. Nobody else has anything like them. They wish they did, but they don't. So if the job needs a truck, just remember this. Sunset Ford is trucks. Just off Highway 410 in Sumner, just down the hill from Bonney Lake. You just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.